That guy, not at all.
Oh, really?
I mean, I could love one, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Because it would love you.
Yeah.
Wow, listen to that. A lot of love going around here, you know? This is live. This is
I don't think I ever
live.
had a cat because Dad didn't want
Yes.
it.
I know, yeah.
Simon with Rachel.
Yeah, he's the right guy, yeah.
He's like a dog.
Is he really?
He comes up and lays by her every
You
night.
have a video going on?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
This is a good video. This goes on forever, too. Say something. Do a dance, Aunt Linda. Do something. Make some goofy faces. Good.
Say what?
Oh, she said that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go take a look. Excuse me, let me see.
Oh.
Your mother's phone.
Hi, Mom. I got a video going. You're up late. We're both up late. We got it going on here at the McCauley's. It's 9:30 and it's a party. Grandma's here, I'm awake, and that's the way it is. I know.
I'm not a good chaperone.
You're doing good. You're doing pretty good.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah. Dee 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 dee.